Is the pulsing video icon on Messenger automatically turned on?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing the pulsing video icon on Messenger and whether it is automatically turned on or if you need to enable it in settings. So, let's get started.
Understanding the pulsing video icon.
The pulsing video icon on Messenger is a feature that indicates when someone is currently recording or streaming a video. It appears as a small video camera icon with a pulsing animation next to the profile picture of the person who is actively using the camera feature.
Is the pulsing video icon automatically turned on?
Yes, the pulsing video icon on Messenger is automatically turned on by default. When you open the Messenger app or website, the feature is enabled without the need to manually enable it in settings. This means that if you are using the camera feature to record or stream a video, the pulsing video icon will automatically appear next to your profile picture, letting your contacts know that you are actively using the camera.
Can you disable the pulsing video icon?
Unfortunately, at the time of this video, Messenger does not provide an option to disable the pulsing video icon. Since it is automatically turned on, there is no built-in setting to turn it off. This means that whenever you use the camera feature on Messenger, the icon will be visible to your contacts. To recap, the pulsing video icon on Messenger is automatically turned on by default, indicating when someone is actively recording or streaming a video. Currently, there is no option to disable the pulsing video icon in the Messenger settings. So, keep in mind that whenever you use the camera feature, the icon will be displayed to your contacts. I hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.